outages. Winds
You really failed?
This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio's warning
failed.
alarm. During potentially hazardous weather situations, the National Weather Service transmits a signal that automatically activates specially built receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test.
I think this was set to display on
Winter
accident.
storm warning for the following area.
Yep, so EAR 10 failed. First week of the year.
Heavy snow expected. Additional snow accumulation.
The WR10 failed. These ones worked. These ones worked.
Travel could be very
I
difficult
think
to
everything
impossible.
worked in here, just those two radios outside.